today I did something that I thought I would never do. I sold all of my crypto. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking something I would never do, maybe like eat a broccoli sandwich, but no, it was selling all of my crypto. And the major reason why is crypto is going to crash. Well, actually, I don't even know if it is going to crash. The way I actually base my decision to sell is just to think about the risk reward ratio at the moment. Crypto is below the 50-day moving average. It's below the 200-day moving average. Is below a lot of key support. And the problem with crypto is that unlike the stock market indexes, crypto has a tendency to really crash when things are bad. And unfortunately, the crypto bear markets can be pretty brutal. So sometimes with crypto, you have to really carefully manage your risk and look at the key levels and decide if it's still worth holding at this point in time. I know that in the crypto markets, it's all about HODL, hold on to dear life. But the problem is that's kind of a dumb philosophy, because it actually is way better to actually sell when it's much higher and then to buy it back when it's a lot lower. I know a lot of you would say, well, how are you going to know that that's the case though? Well, let's think about why the crypto has been going down at all. A lot of it is because the Federal Reserve is at least pretending that they no longer are going to be money printing and inducing inflation with low interest rates and a lot of money printing. Now, they're just saying that they're going to continue money printing forever. There's no doubt about that. But when they actually are at least playing around and pretending to be tightening, ending the quantitative easing and raising interest rates, that has a tendency to at least temporarily strengthen the dollar, and it will weaken the crypto. So yeah, Bitcoin is down quite a bit, and the altcoins are down pretty substantially. Now Ethereum, I think Ethereum could go down another 70% from where it is at the moment. So that's a word of caution on that one. That could be very scary if you're holding on. Especially the altcoins have a tendency to go down more. You could say that by around November there was maximum froth in the crypto markets. You had things like the Shiba Inu, which I actually bought and sold at a profit, but I think that reached a $40 billion valuation. Just a coin that was basically a meme off another meme coin, Dogecoin. So that is a bit bizarre. So it's very important that you should not be a hero when it comes down to crypto. You don't want to be one of those people who makes excuses as to why you're losing money. This is not probably a good time to buy crypto either. The time to buy crypto is when the Federal Reserve is starting to print again. They're trying to stop things from crashing, and they're doing emergency things to lower interest rates and print more money, give more freebies and support for the markets. And right now they're taking that support away, and you can see that things are definitely selling off fairly poorly. You could say, well, what should I do once I sell my crypto? Well, you could buy one of the stable coins. I actually highly recommend putting your money into something called the Gemini dollar. That allows you to earn 8.05% at this point in time, and that's a pretty good return while you're waiting for the markets to stop falling, and your stable coin will stay at the same value. Now, Danny, my brother, he has not sold. I don't know if he's a holder either. Why did you not sell yet?
I'm a hodler.
Are you?
Well, I do.
You want to hold it?
I do like to. I do believe in technical analysis and things like that, and it's certainly true that cryptos could go way down. But we have been through how many, like 50 bear markets now in the last year with cryptos, and then they bounce back, and it's really hard to trade that stuff. But for now, I'm going to be holding. I do think that the market is going down because of Russia, and actually my belief is if there was a war that started with Russia, you would see the market actually starting to rally the same day the war happens. It would first tank and then it would rally. That's my belief. Don't trade on that, but That's what I think will happen.
Well, the other issue I have to say is that even if you do sell Bitcoin or Ethereum, it doesn't mean you don't believe in these projects. You can definitely believe in them and just say, you know what, for now this is just not doing very well, and now it's just not the right time to own them. Because the whole goal of investing is to actually make money, is not to lose money. And not, people don't buy Bitcoin or Ethereum really because they love the technology. They buy it because they want it to go up, if you think about it. And if you think about it, we have yet to actually get to a point where a substantial number of people are still using Bitcoin for its intended purpose. Most of the people are kind of holding with expectation of it going up, which is a little bit odd. The whole point of Bitcoin originally was to send money between individuals without an intermediary, no bank and no central exchange. That hasn't quite happened on a grand scale yet, but it will happen at some point, I'm sure. But at the moment, we're in a downtrend. I would stay away from these things at the moment. Wait for a confirmation that the uptrend has begun again. So please smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
And don't forget, also, during the Gulf War, the market started to tank, and then the market rallied right after the war started. So don't let the fear get to you.